Hello student, most welcome to Narayan Biology classes. And student, in this video lecture, today we study about the heterotopic mode of nutrition. And what is the heterotopic mode of nutrition and type of heterotopic mode of nutrition, and also we study about the one example of heterotopic organism which show heterotopic mode of nutrition. So now we started the topic heterotopic mode of nutrition. So heterotopic organisms are those organisms which are not able to synthesize their own foods. So organisms which cannot synthesize their own food is known as heterotopic organisms, and these organisms depend upon other organisms for their foods. So such organisms is known as heterotrophs. Now the organism in which this type of nutrition is found is known as heterotrophs, and example of such type of organisms is yeast, fungi, bacteria, human being, tiger, lions, birds, cow. All are these animals are the heterotrophic animals because they are not able to make their own foods itself. That is why it is considered as heterotrophic organism. Now we study about the type of heterotrophic organism. So first of all, we know that type of heterotrophic organism. So heterotrophic organism is three types: saprotrophic, parasitics, and holozoic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutritions are divided into three groups: saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. So first of all, we started the saprotrophic nutrition. The organism which obtain their food from dead decaying plant and animals are called as saprotrophic organisms. So the main source of this type of organism is dead decay of plant and animal body, from which they derive their energy and they convert these organisms into mineral substance. Example of such type of organism is mushroom or fungi. Parasitic nutrition. So those organisms which obtain their food from body of other organisms, and the organisms from which they obtain their foods are living organisms, and such type of organism is known as parasites, and the organism from which they obtain their food is known as host. As a result of this type of nutrition, the host is harmed while the parasite is benefited, and result of this type of nutrition, host is affected by some disease. An example of such type of nutrition is found in leech. Leech show parasitic mode of nutrition. Also mosquito show parasitic mode of nutrition. And the third type of nutrition, which is heterotopic nutrition, is holozoic nutrition. These are the mode of nutrition in which organisms take their food in form of solids, and then this solid food is complex organic material which ingested inside their body and then broken into simple inorganic substance by the process of digestion. So first of all, in holozoic mode of nutrition, organisms intake their food in the form of solids, and after that they go inside their digestive system, and by the working of some special type of digestive enzymes and mechanical working of their digestive system, this complex organic matter is broken down into simple inorganic matter. As a result, some energy is released, and with the help of this energy they perform their life activity, and such type of holozoic nutrition is seen in human beings. These are the three type of heterotopic mode of nutrition. Now we study about the example of one organism in which heterotrophic mode of nutrition is found. So now we study about the amoeba. Amoeba is an organism in which heterotrophic mode of nutrition is found. So this is the structure of amoeba, and this is the steps which related to this type of nutrition. So first of all, we study the step first, and then second, then third, and then fourth. And when we study these steps, we compare this step with the figure which are done in the sides. So amoeba engulf food by temporary finger-like projections on its body surface known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is a finger-like projections which form on the body surface of the amoeba. This is the pseudopodia, and with the help of this pseudopodia, amoeba engulf the food particle inside their body. This is the process. Now this pseudopodia cover the whole food particles, and now these food particles come inside the amoeba body. When the pseudopodia fuse with food particle, it form a food vacuole. So in this figure you see that when the food particle is completely taken inside the body, they are surrounded by a vacuole, and that vacuole is known as food vacuoles. Now inside these food vacuoles, by the action of some digestive enzymes, this complex substance is broken down into simple substance inside the food vacuoles, and this simple substance now diffuse into the cytoplasm. After the digestion, this simple substance diffuse inside the cytoplasm of the amoeba, and the waste product remain inside the food vacuoles. Lastly, the process which is known as egestion is started, and in egestion the remaining unwanted material, waste material, transported to the cell surface and thrown out. Now this excretory product come to the cell membrane of the amoeba and fuse with this cell membrane of amoeba and thrown out the outside of the body. These are the heterotrophic mode of nutrition which occur in amoeba. This is the simple type of organism. Now in next video we study about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in the human being, which is a very complex process, but we study well and it become very easy to understand. So this is the mode of nutrition. One is the process of egestion, then egestion. After these two processes is the digestions, and after digestion this process is the egestions, and also this process is the assimilations. So amoeba nutrition is divided into ingestions, digestion, assimilation, and egestion. This is the process which takes place in the nutrition of amoeba. And amoeba is a heterotrophic organism, and it commonly found in the dirty waters and stagnant dirty waters around inside the drainage. So this is the mode of nutrition in simple organism. In the next video, in next week, we study about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in animals. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then share with the more study group, and also press the like button and subscribe the channel for getting any new notifications. Thank you very much for watching.